We are back at Choice Cabinet Showroom and Design Center with Claudine. So there are so many trends going on now in the kitchen and bath industry. Let's talk about a few of those.
As we show here, mixing wood with painted cabinets, with different quartz tops, full height splashes, 2 islands in a kitchen, incorporating a buffet within a whole kitchen wall of a different color, different wood species.
Floating shelves. Incorporating natural wood in part of your cabinetry with the countertops, which is a little bit more texture. Bringing that warmth, the outside in. So when we talk about a buffet, what is that traditionally used for?
Lots of things. A lot of people can put decorative bowls, things that they would only bring out maybe during holidays, even some photos, something that they want to display.
And do you feel like that's a trend that's sort of coming back?
I do, yeah. They're incorporating it right into the main kitchen, but just separating it in a different wood species or paint color. A couple other trends are stacking cabinets. So a lot of people like to display things, or they have a tall ceiling height and they really want to get those cabinets up there and make it more of a focal point. So they'll put glass in them and they'll put decorative items behind those doors, put lights in there.
And then you've got several hoods.
Yes, we have a couple different hoods for you to choose from. We do display 3 here in the showroom. A lot of the floating shelves, like we mentioned before.
I think when people are searching for like their next design and they're talking about the functionality and the aesthetics of it, they're just so overwhelmed. And that's where you guys come in.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, we have years and years and decades of experience here as designers. So we make the process simple, we make it easy, we keep you calm, and we will take you every step of the way.
So the viewers mentioned they saw you on RES TV.
You can receive 10% off your cabinet and countertop purchase.